Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to increase font size in Android smartphones. So to do that you need to go to the setting, or you can go by this one, same thing, then go for personalization. Here you can see font and display size, click on it. Then here it is a display where you can see when you change the things, like I'm showing you. My font size is here now option. If I press it right, you can see the font is increased than before. If I put it back, you can see it's become smaller now. So this is the way you can increase much as you need. So after doing this, just apply, it will applicate it, or you can say it will be applied. So this is the way you can